Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from GoCrypto. So let's jump in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, withdrawing money from GoCrypto, let's jump straight into it. So first of all, you need to access your account. So make sure that you log into the GoCrypto account through the mobile app or your website, and then you can navigate to the wallet or withdrawal section from the main menu, or what they call the lobby. From here, you're going to choose your cryptocurrency. So you want to withdraw perhaps Bitcoin or whatever it is, you're going to go and select that. All right. Make sure that you do, of course, have a balance, and then you're going to enter the wallet details. So this is the part where you need to carefully input the destination wallet address. You can consider using the QR code scanner as well if it's available to avoid any typing errors. This is probably a safer method. And then you need to specify the amount that you're withdrawing. All right, so enter the amount. Keep in mind that the platform's minimum withdrawal limits, as well as the network transaction fees, that will be deducted from your transaction. And then the fifth step is verifying and authenticating. So you need to review all the transaction details and complete the required two-factor authentication process to authorize your withdrawal. Then you can sit back, confirm, and track your withdrawal. So you'll submit your request and you'll note the transaction ID, and most withdrawal processes will happen within 24 hours depending on, of course, the network congestion. Here are a few things to keep in mind. First of all, always triple check wallet addresses before confirming. Blockchain transactions are irreversible, so if it's sent to the wrong address, it means it's a permanent loss. And of course, no one wants to lose money regardless of the amount. Also, always enable all security features such as two-factor authentication, email confirmations, and withdrawal address whitelisting. And then only use secure networks, avoid public Wi-Fi for your transactions. Also, keep your app and devices updated with the latest security patches. Track your withdrawals using the transaction ID on the Blockchain Explorer. If this was helpful, drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.